Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to install a Facebook app on the OnePlus Nord N100. So first thing we have to do is open Play Store from Google. You have to have an account already at Play Store, so you have to have your email already saved like we have here. And then here we can search for Facebook and it will show there. And once it shows, we can click install, and once it's verifying, it will download and install the app. So that's all we have to do for Facebook on the OnePlus Nord N100. It's downloading, as you can see, it's installing. It'll take a little time because this phone's not exactly the fastest phone, but in a few seconds, you will basically have your app on your home screen and on your app folder. So basically, if we go here, we can already toggle and see if we can see Facebook. It still is not. It should be between the ear and the file manager. We will see it appear in a few seconds. Boom, there it is. So that is how we install Facebook, and also probably going to be on the home screen up there. Then we can open it, do our settings, sign into Facebook, and so on. So yeah, that's how you install a Facebook app on the OnePlus Nord N100. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Bye.